Hi, today let's make very nutritious, healthy, tasty ragi ladoo at home. Now in a kadai, there's no oil, no ghee, nothing. Let's dry roast peanuts. If you want, you can add the peanuts with the skin and then later remove the skin. Please note you need to roast it on a very low flame till it is slightly brown. And then what you need to do is keep it aside. So now the peanuts is beautifully roasted. I'll keep it aside. Now to the same kadai, I've added in white sesame seeds. Now you need to, as I said previously, roast it on a very low flame till it's fragrant and turns light brown. That is what we are wanting it. And then what you need to do is take this and keep aside as well. Now to the same pan, I'm adding in some grated coconut as well, and then again fry it or roast it really very well till it's light brown and keep it aside. Now all the nuts, which is peanuts, sesame seeds and coconut, is beautifully roasted, and what we'll do is we'll take it and keep aside. This gives a very lovely taste to our ragi ladoo, the peanuts, the sesame seeds and the coconut. Now the coconut is beautifully roasted. I've taken and kept it aside. Now to the same kadai, I've added in ragi flour along with some ghee and then roast it on a very low flame. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Now roast the ragi really very well till it's fragrant like this. Don't over roast it, otherwise the ragi laddu taste burnt. Now I kept it aside. Now all the ingredients are beautifully roasted. Now let's make our jaggery syrup. Here I've taken jaggery and added a little bit of water and then melt it. You need to melt it till there is a bubble. When the jaggery syrup starts bubbling up, immediately switch it off, otherwise your ragi laddu will turn to be very hard. When you see the first bubble or boiling it up, switch off the gas and keep it aside. Now all our ingredients are ready. Let's start making our powder of these roasted items. You need to coarse grind the peanuts, sesame seeds and coconut. If you blend it too much, the oils of the seeds will come out. Now I've added in some cardamom powder as well, and let's mix all these dry ingredients really very well so that it's beautifully combined, otherwise the ingredients will not be mixed really very well. So mix all the peanuts, sesame seeds along with the ragi flour beautifully. Now it's ready. Now I'm adding in the jaggery syrup at this stage and then give it a good mix. Immediately don't start making the laddus, otherwise you will tend to burn your hand, but just touch it a little bit, and when you feel you can touch it, there you can start rolling out your laddus. You can make different laddus size. If you like big laddus, you can make that, or small, completely up to your choice. And finally you can add in some almonds or pistachios or cashews if you like it, because it gives a beautiful flavor to our laddus. This is a very good and healthy recipe. Kids, you love it, you love it. Very good snacking option as well, and it's very nutritious for the body. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. A little bit of effort, but still trust me, these are very healthy laddus, very good snacking options, even good to carry when you're traveling as well. As I previously said, please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.